317-2020. Okay, trick. Now listen carefully. Today we are not going to do exercise Sammanal. We are going to learn the values of everything. Okay, sine 30, 30, 45 standard values. Okay, to learn the values, first understand the beginning of the lesson, I told you two important triangle. Do you remember? Trigonometry is mainly about
Right angle
Right
triangle.
angle
Right
triangle.
angle triangle.
two types of right angle triangle. I have discussed. I
Scale
told
and
you
right
two types of
angle
right angle
triangle.
triangle.
Scale and
Scale and
right
right angle
angle
triangle.
triangle.
Right
Scale
angle
and very
triangle.
Isosceles right
right angle
angle.
triangle and isosceles right angle.
Isosceles.
Okay?
Isosceles.
Please remember these two. Don't forget. Okay, like suppose if I'm drawing on scale and right angle triangle like this, and suppose if I'm drawing isosceles right angle triangle like this. Okay, now like this. Now I think okay, this is coming little bit better. Now which side is 90 in this sex scale? And all are looking 90 only. No, one this one will see. This is 90. Okay. Now isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle means two angles are equal. Both are theta only. Correct? No. So what could suppose I take as one unit, one unit, one unit. What could be the hypotenuse?
Root 2.
Root 2.
Root 2. Very good.
Root
Root 2.
2.
Root 2. Very good. Now 1 root 2 you remember. And what could be the theta? What could be the theta value?
45.
Very good. Who's that?
45.
Rohan. Rohan only
Apratim.
answered.
Apratim.
Apratin. Super. Correct, Apratin. Because it is isosceles triangle, listen carefully. 90 plus theta is 180. Angles of property, you remember? Okay. So 2x plus 90 is 180. So 2x is equal to 100. And what is x? X is equal to 45.
Ma'am, 2x is equal to 90 here,
2x
ma'am.
is 90. 2x is 90, x is 45. So each angle is 45. You understand how 45 came? Each angle is 45. You understood? In isosceles right angle triangle, why I put 1 and 1? Because both the sides are isosceles, same. Okay? And hypotenuse is root 2. Okay? Now you see sine 45. What is sine 45? Sine 45 is opposite by hypotenuse. Which is opposite to sine 45? 1. So 1 by root 2.
Root 2.
What is
1 by root 2.
1 by root 2. What is cos 45?
1 by
1 by
root
root 2.
1 by root
Why?
2.
Because it is isosceles triangle. Both the theta is 45. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Cos 45 is also 1 by root 2. Tan 45 opposite by, see,
1 by
this is
1.
theta.
1 by 1.
Opposite by,
One,
I adjusted. 1 by 1. 1 by 1
1
is
by
how
1.
much?
1.
1.
1.
Now you understood how sine 45 came. Suppose if they are asking derive this, you can use this only. But detail you should explain. How Gina Ma'am is explaining. In right angle triangle, isosceles right angle triangle, if you take two angles are equal and unit 1 and unit 1. So the hypotenuse, you should go to Pythagoras theorem and explain how this root 2 came. After that, you should do sine 45 is opposite by hypotenuse. So 1 by root 2. Okay, like that. Suppose if they're asking you to in your audition, if you see it will, this sum will come. Derive or prove. Prove sine 45 is 1 by root 2. Prove sine 45 is 1 by root 2. How you should prove? You should start with the beginning. Now you understood how you got sine 45, cos 45, tan 45?
Yes, ma'am.
In
Yes,
a class means I will ask how many of you did not understand. Now it is difficult to ask. So please learn. Sine 45, cos 45, tan 45. Prove. If they ask, explain in every sentence. Like how Gina Ma'am is explaining. Isosceles right angle triangle. Two angles are equal. Two sides are equal. Therefore, theta plus 90 is 180. Therefore, 90 is 45 degree. Sine 45 is opposite by hypotenuse. Therefore, 1 by root 2. Like that. Okay. Now you understand what is sine 45? 1 by root 2. Cos 45? 1 by root 2, 10 by 1. Now go to scale. Now we will go to scale and triangle. In scale and triangle, we will have 190 degree. We will have 30 degree. Which angle will be 30? You tell me now. Let me see. Who is brilliant?
Any of them.
Angle. Very good, very good. Who said first? Who said first?
Ma'am, can be any angle, ma'am.
No, C.
No, 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 no. One
ma'am,
is
like-
30, one is
In this-
30, one is 60, one is 90. In this, we know very well 90 degrees. 90 degrees is what?
B.
Biggest side. Angle opposite to biggest side is 90 degrees.
B.
So, suppose if this is
smaller, so C will be the small angle.
now, see, this is 90 degree, ma. The angle opposite to small side is 30. The angle opposite to side is 60. You see, angle opposite to smaller side is smaller. You learned that in 9th standard. Angle opposite to smaller side is smaller. Angle opposite to bigger side is bigger. Angle opposite to biggest side is biggest angle. Okay, so hypotenuse is the longest. Hypotenuse is longest in every triangle. Therefore, 90 degree. Angle opposite to biggest side is hypotenuse. Angle opposite to hypotenuse is 90. So this will be 30, 60. Now, suppose I take this as 1. Okay, I take hypotenuse as 2. What could be this third part? AC.
Root 3.
Root 3.
Root 3. Very good. How you got it? According to Pythagoras. Who said root 3? Okay.
Many said.
According to Pythagoras theorem, you should write down. All this you should write. Suppose if they're telling you to prove this. This question never came so many years, ma. But this year I'm expecting all these derivations because they did not delete that. Okay. So derive the values they will ask. You should derive like this. According to Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to AB square plus AC square. So if this is 1 and this is 2, hypotenuse is 2 and this is 1 and this is x. So what will happen? 4 minus 1 will become x square. So x square is equal to 3. So x is equal to root 3. Another way to remember this is this. In between, see, this is biggest, this is smallest. In between 1 and 2, what value you will get? Root 3 you will get. You understand? Like that you can remember. Okay. In between 1 and 2, because 2 is the biggest number. 1 is the smallest number. In between this has to come. So root 3 will be 1.732. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll rub this because if you understand this, right? How you got root 3, I'll rub this. Hello. This board will never cooperate, ma. It's not cooperating. Now tell me. Now again I will draw the triangle only. Wow. After some time it is cooperating for me. Now you tell. Okay, 30, 60. So 1, this is 2, this is root 3. Okay. Now tell me sine 30. What is sine 30?
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Tell me opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite by?
Opposite the hypotenuse.
What is the answer?
1 by
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Okay, cos 30.
Adjacent by opposite. No. Yeah, adjacent by opposite.
Root 3 by 2.
Tan 3 by 2. Tan 30.
Opposite by
1 by root 3. Opposite. 1 by root 3.
1 by root 3.
root 3.
1 by root.
Now I will teach you one more smallest method to remember these values. So from tomorrow I will ask the values, children. So I will be asking you different values. Now see 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Okay, listen carefully. All this should be in your classwork. Okay. Now sine theta. Sine 0. 0 means the angle, actually the 0 value, how you got sine, ma'am? 0, this value will become 0. Okay. 0, how you got 0, I will teach you. I'll teach you this later, because when this decreases, the angle decreases. See, when this hypotenuse, this line is moving not towards like this, it is keep on moving. When it keeps moving, this angle will become 0. One particular time it will become like this. That is only 0. Okay. So in that opposite adjacent, nothing is there because everything, only one line is there. Triangle is not there. That's why 0 will come. Okay. Now cos theta. Cos theta will become 1 will come here, 0 will come here. Now listen. I will teach you this 1 and 90 later. Now first listen 30. How to do sin 30, how to remember these values. Okay, there is a easiest way to remember. During exam time also, you can use this in your rough notebook or your rough paper. The last page of your booklet, you can use it. You keep quarter kg, half kg, 3/4 kg, 1 kg you keep. Okay, 0 kg. Now, half kg sugar you keep. Square root of quarter kg. The square root will be the first value. Quarter kg, half kg, 3/4
1 by
kg.
root 2.
1 by 2. 1 by 2 will come. Okay. Here only 1 by root 2 will come. Here root 3 by 2 will come. That's all. Okay. You should remember trigonometry is a sweet chapter. So quarter kg sugar, half kg sugar, 3/4 kg sugar. Square root value will be 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 3 by 2 because square root of 4 is 2, no Bhagya. That is why.
Yes,
Then
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
this will come here. Root 3 by 2 will come here. This will come here. 1 by 2 will come here. Now what will happen to this? This will come like this. 1 by root 2. There is a pattern. Pattern to remember. So sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Okay? You understood how I got the answer?
Yes.
So just to remember, pattern of mathematics can be used to remember this. How? You remember it is a quarter kg sugar, half kg sugar, 3/4 kg sugar. Square root of that, 1 by 2. Square root of 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Square root of root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2. Then you put the cross. This will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. So that's all over. Now tan theta is easy. What is tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta. 0 by 1 is 0. 0 by 1 is 0. What is 1 by 0?
Not defined.
Not defined. Very good. Abhishek wants to answer every time. Huh?
Not defined.
Not defined. Why? Because I told you any number by 0 is not defined. Ramanujam story. I told you, right? You remember Ramanujam story?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So don't forget, anything divided by 0 is not defined. You should put not defined like this. Okay. Then 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. What is the answer? When you divide means what, ma? Multiplication reciprocal, correct? So this 2 to get cancelled. Root 2 to get cancelled, root 1 by root 3 will come.
1 by 2.
Now, when I divide both, what will happen? 1 by root 2 into root 2 by 1. Root to get cancelled. What is the answer? 1 is the answer.
1.
Okay? Same way, when I divide these two, I get root 3 is the answer. That's all. So if you remember sine, cos, other values you need not worry, children. Other values you need not worry. Why you need not worry about other class? You can just write it like this. But I want you to learn this thoroughly so that you will not waste time and writing and seeing. Suppose in situation comes when you can't, you forgot everything what has been taught in the class. That time, children, you use. Okay? Now secant theta. This is not rubbing. Okay. Now you understood? 30, 45, 60. 30, 45, 60. What is sin 30? 1 by 2. What is cos 30? What is sin 60?
1
What
by
is sin 60? 1 by 2. What is sin 45? 1 by root 2. What is cos 30? Cos
Root
30
3
is
by
root
2, 3 by 2.
Root 3 by
What
2.
is cos 60?
1 by root 2.
1 by 2.
1 by root 2.
What is cos 45?
1 by
Root
root
2.
1 by root 2.
2.
Same value. Tan. Now go to tan. Tan is 1 by root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 60 is root 3. Tan 45 is 1. Now you can, yeah, now you can also write cosecant, secant, cot. How? By reciprocal.
Reciprocal.
Okay, I can't go to the board at the back of the board. I'll write it here, children. Okay, cosecant. Cosecant theta, 30. Cosecant 30 will become just 2.
2.
Correct? Cosecant 45. What is cosecant 45? Root 2. What is 60? 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Now, secant. Secant is reciprocal of cos. 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3. Then
by root.
Root 2.
Root 2.
root 2. Then
2.
Two.
super. Now cot.
Root 3.
Root 3.
3.
1.
1 by root.
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3.
1 by root 3. Now you know how to do. So draw the tabular column today and learn every value. So tomorrow physics class and Thursday we will have math class. So that time I'll ask you, you better learn every value. First you write in your book who I taught like that. You write prove. They will ask you prove sine 30 is 1 by 2. They'll ask children. Prove sine 30 is 1 by 2. Prove sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Prove sine 45 is 1 by root 2. They'll ask. Okay. So that question you first start and write. Afterwards you write the other things. Then tabular column, the page number, some page number. If you have a textbook, tell me. Page number?
Page number 185.
185.
185. This is the homework. Page number 185 is the homework. Write and learn and prove. Homework is homework. What all? It's dancing with me, ma. Homework is prove sine 30, sine 45, cos 30, cos 60. Okay? These 3 things you prove. Remaining all, I think you know, right? If you write 3, remaining things are easy, right? Or you want to do all the 6 ratios?
Ma'am,
Write all the 6
45, ma'am.
You proving you write any 3, ma. Okay? Sine 45 you write, sine 30 you write, cos 30 you write. Okay, cos 30. These 3 you write proving. Remaining you learn you write page 185. You write 185 page number. Learn the table and then be prepared yourself and come for Thursday class. Wednesday we have physics. Tomorrow physics test is there, huh? Or we'll have a class. We'll continue the class and then we'll have
class.
Saturday we'll have test. Okay, tomorrow we'll continue the class. Physics test is Saturday. Okay, thank you, children. Thank you, ma.
Thank you, ma'am.
Study